Sometimes it won't even turn back on, it'll just completely turn off.
This is a review for the floor standing model of the 20-inch Hurricane Pro. As you can see here, it's a good looking fan. I mean, it looks very professional. It's got those silver blades, the black casing. Everything you see here is metal. About the only thing that isn't metal is the back casing here and the oscillation switch and the power switch, speed switch here. That is plastic, but everything else is metal. Very nice looking. I have this in my gym down here, and you notice the first thing is that it throws a lot of air. I mean, this thing really moves a lot of air. I'm putting this just on the first setting right now. And, you know, one of the disappointing things, when it oscillates, it kind of throws itself back and forth in three distinct motions. It kind of heaves itself to and fro. I do wonder about that from a quality standpoint, if that's going to cause any wear and tear issues, or even if it's supposed to do that, and this may be damaged. But so far so good, and like I said, it does move a heck of a lot of air. And as you can hear, it's not really that loud. It's about as loud as most shop fans on low. Probably a little louder than you know, a typical $20, $30, $40 floor standing oscillating fan you would buy at your local big box store. But that's the low setting. You kick it up one more to 2. Gets a little bit louder. The wind definitely picks up. You can still see that kind of the herky-jerky oscillation, which, you know, it looks worse than it is actually. It feels fine. And then on high, yeah, it gets a little bit louder, but that's it really is moving a lot of air. I don't know the specific how many CFMs it's moving, but it has to be up in the 550 range, I would think. But as for what I'm using it for, as a fan for a gym, fan in a basement, if you used it in a garage or a work area or something like that, it's very good, high quality, probably worth the you know, the money that you pay for it, that, you know, $100 range, somewhere in there. Definitely worth the upgrade over a smaller fan, you know, one of the plastic ones coming from the local big box store. So I recommend it, with the hedge that, you know, that throwing itself back and forth may cause some issues. So I'll be sure to update this if it does. For now, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. It's a solid fan, good for the money, doing what we want it to, and hasn't had any problems in the 3 months that we've had it. Happy purchasing.
Alright, so this is just a quick test of the Hurricane 16-inch floor fan. Comes with this little remote here, so just go and turn it on. So I do like how low the actual low setting is, the 1 setting here. It goes from 1 through 12 for speeds. The number 1 setting actually is nice just to have running while I'm in bed at night, just to kind of have a cool breeze going around the room just to keep the air moving. So definitely like that. And then I'll just go up through the range here. Now this is full. Yeah, so far I do really like this fan. I like the built-in timer that it has. That definitely helps save energy, so that's been definitely useful. The only thing I don't like about it though is just that it's all plastic construction. Even the posts here, these are even plastic. So I don't really like that about it, but it doesn't seem too bad. It seems pretty sturdy as well, so that would be my only complaint really. But other than that, yeah, it's worked great. And like I said, I do really like the lowest setting. I mean, it definitely moves some air. The high setting does have a high speed too, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here it is, the Hurricane. As you can see, it's very loud, it does move a lot of air. But unfortunately, no matter what you do with this button, pull it up, which is hard to do while it's motioning. So, there we go, it's up, still moves. Does not matter, it's up all the way. Can't pull it up anymore. Or push down. Doesn't matter. Still moves. Up, down, doesn't matter. If you want fan that stays stationary, don't get this.
I would like to be below that, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed. It just won't work.
I can't get this little white piece off. This one. It just turns. It won't pull off. How do I get this off, people? Help me. What's the secret? Thanks.
That thing is a beast. I love it.
This fan is awesome, powerful, and quiet. I highly recommend it. And it comes with a nice remote control. Definitely a must-have.
Love the fan. Works really nice. Easy installation, 5-minute installation. Love the remote control. On, off, 3 different speeds. Great buy. Half the price from the big box stores.
Medium. High. I love it.
What's it all for? I mean, shop window dummies. What's that about? Is someone trying to send me the drink?
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. This is my new friend, Leona. Where is he?
Was hidden away. No one light bulb should wield such power, and they reason.